Living in California's beautiful landscapes comes with the responsibility of safeguarding our homes against wildfires. One critical aspect of this protection is ensuring your home is equipped with fire and ember-resistant vents. Did you know that wind-blown embers can travel miles ahead of a wildfire, entering homes through vents and igniting them from the inside? In fact, experts agree that 90% of all homes are ignited by flying embers. Homes built after 2008 in wildland-urban interface zones are generally required to have fire-resistant vents. As per California Building Code Chapter 7A, if your home was constructed before 2008, it's advisable to check with local authorities, as some regions may have updated regulations requiring retrofitting. Some insurance companies mandate the installation of fire-resistant vents to maintain or renew coverage, especially in high-risk areas. Reviewing your policy can provide additional guidance.